Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily make all your posts private or all your pages private in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on posts. When you're going to be here, first thing you want to click on screen options and number of items per page, right here 999, right? Click apply. When you're going to do it, then just click here on this space. So you choose everything, and when you got it, click edit and apply. Now right here, you're gonna see status, click here private and update. And as you can see, all of my posts are private, and I will just make them published. Voila, here you got it. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And thank you, see ya, and goodbye.